and welcome to day 2 of the Christmas Confection Countdown. So if you missed the first video, I'll put it up here somewhere. What I'm doing is I have this advent calendar that I stuffed with a bunch of rolls, and each one has a different dessert on it. And as we go through the next 12 days, I will just be making these desserts. So the first video we did was a cherry cordial pie. Also, I will link the playlist down below if you're interested in checking out that one if you haven't seen it yet. Now we're gonna find out what we're making for day 2. So let's grab our scroll number 2. And we have Merry Meringue Cookie Pops. So if you don't know what these are, I'm about to show you, but they are pretty much meringue cookies that you put on a popsicle stick or a cookie stick or, you know, something like that. I've made them several times with my kids. They absolutely love them. They love to get to decorate them. So what we are going to do today is we are going to make our meringue pops in the shapes of different Christmas things. We can maybe do a candy cane. We can do like a snowman, maybe a penguin. Let's see how creative I want to get. I really don't know if I want to dye meringue black. That's a really hard color to achieve for what I have because I only have liquid color, not the concentrated stuff. But we're going to make some different Christmas shapes with our meringue. Okay, we're ready to make meringue. So hopefully this meringue is going to go better than yesterday's meringue. I'm sure it'll be fine. We are going to be making meringue cookie pops, and if you don't know what the meringue cookie pops are, they're all over Instagram, which is where I first discovered what they were. I'm familiar with meringue cookies because I used, you put meringue cookies like the little dehydrated mushrooms on your Yule log. There's a whole bunch of different decorating techniques you do with them, plus they're just delicious, especially dipped in chocolate. But these meringue pops I found online. I made them for my 4-year-old and she flipped for them because, I mean, obviously it's pretty much whipped egg whites and sugar. But they're a nice, easy little dessert. She could decorate them herself. I'll put up pictures, if I have pictures, of her ghost. We made ghosts for Halloween for the little meringue pops, the Boo meringues. They were adorable. But we're going to make Christmas shapes. And what I've got is egg whites, sugar, vanilla, some meringue powder with a little pinch of salt in it, and then some powdered sugar. We are going to start by whipping up our egg whites and the meringue powder salt combo first. So I have a clean bowl. We already know having a perfectly clean bowl for meringue is very important. We do not want to have any grease, any residue, no crumbs, nothing for doing egg whites. And I have my room temperature egg whites here that are going to go into my bowl. Put them all in there. And to that, I'm going to add my meringue powder here. And I put the pinch of salt in here because the salt has to go in with the meringue powder, and I figured it would just save me a bowl for a pinch of salt. Put that in. Okay. Now we are going to put our mixer on a medium speed and let this go. It's going to puff a little bit with that meringue powder in there. So I'm gonna kind of just like give it a little pump, get all mixed in there. This way I don't have a massive plume of my meringue powder coming out. And then we're just gonna let it go. And now, much like with the meringue from yesterday, we are waiting for it to kind of froth up and get a little foamy, and then we are going to add in our sugar. That's looking good. Okay, we're gonna add it very gradually. We don't wanna put the whole thing in right away. And like, see here, I have a lump in my sugar. I'm gonna break that up. You don't want any lumps in the sugar. Oh, and there goes a lump in the sugar. I'm already breaking my own rules. That wasn't a very big one, it'll be fine. I'm pumping it up just a tad bit, just ever so slightly, because we are almost at that stiff peak. We're right now sitting at about a medium. You can absolutely overdo it. Don't overdo it. We don't want to break our egg whites. We love our egg whites. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks good. Kind of a little swirl. Let's see. Nope, we are still sitting at a medium. Back on. All right, let's see how we're doing. A little swish, swish, swish. And let's tap this off. We got a lot on here. Tap it gently, more gently than I'm tapping it. All right, let's see. There we go. We are at a stiff. It wants to bend, but it's not bending. Now, I got my stiff peaks. At this point, I'm going to add in my vanilla and I'm going to give it a little mix to incorporate. We are not mixing for any more stiffness. Pour my vanilla in, and it's just ever so slightly enough vanilla to give a little hint of vanilla, not a lot. And mix that up until we see no more vanilla streaks, and we are done. So I'm going to get this put into bags. I'm thinking for our shapes, we should do some Christmas trees. Should we do Christmas trees and candy canes? Thinking so, and maybe some snowmen. We'll start there. I don't exactly know what sprinkles I have. I didn't prepare the sprinkles. We'll do Christmas trees and candy canes, and then I'll have white for the snowmen because I'll have the white for the candy canes. That's what we'll do. We'll see how many we end up with. So I'm gonna get this colored and bagged up, and then we will be back to do the piping. All right, so I have got my colors made up. I have green for my trees, pink for my candy canes, white for my snowmen and also my candy canes. And then I made this it's more of a golden color. I'm gonna see if I can make reindeer out of it. Because what happens when they dehydrate is they lose a tad bit of their pigmentation, which is why you want to amp up the color just a little bit. So I went with a deeper, almost mustard yellowy brown, because the color I had is this is what I ended up with. But we'll see what happens because my kids would absolutely love to have a reindeer. So we're gonna try it, see what happens. It might not work. We'll see. So I'm going to take my sheet tray and my cookie sticks. I got a random assortment of different size cookie sticks here. There's some thicker ones, some thinner ones, just from my bin of cookie sticks. I make a lot of things with cookie sticks. I'm using the cookie sticks because if I use popsicle sticks, I don't like the way that they come out. I don't know. This is my personal preference. I prefer the cookie sticks. Then I got a random assortment of Christmas sprinkles that I'm also going to utilize.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
All right, so I lost audio at some point, but I put these in the oven. They pretty much dehydrated at 225 for 2 hours, and now they are out of the oven, and I think they are so sweet. They're looking a little amateur hour, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't piped in a long time, but I do really enjoy the Christmas tree. I think the Christmas tree is super cute. Nice big fat fluffy tree. The candy cane, could be better. It's okay. The reindeers, they kind of came out a little creepy looking. This one, his antler is better, but he cracked a lot more. And that's just from how thick I made them, but they're still really cute. And my girls are still going to absolutely love these. This guy, I am a super fan of. He came out absolutely adorable. He looks like a gingerbread cookie. Oh, he's so cute. I like this one. This one's super cute. And then my little snowman, I drew on some coal eyes. He's a little happy little snowman. So he's there. I mean, honestly, my girls are gonna love them. I pay more attention to detail if I was selling them. But that's the fun of this challenge. I'm just having fun with it because I have a channel and I like to make desserts. So the whole point of these videos was just to have fun and play, and maybe I should have called it Nailed It. I don't know. Some of them creepy reindeer kind of look like a nailed it type deal, but I'm having a blast. So if you've happened upon these videos and it's your first time on this channel, seeing my channel, welcome, and I hope you'll stick around for the rest of the 12 days because I'm having fun. So I love for y'all to have fun with me. And if you decide to make any of the treats and you want to show me what you've made, go ahead and over to Instagram and tag me at the Busybug Homestead over there also, and do the hashtag 12 days of Christmas Confections Countdown. And I'd like to see if you're baking along with me if you've made any of these things. And let's just have some good holly jolly fun this time of year. It's just been fun. The last 2 days have been fun. Have they come out perfect? No, but I'm loving it anyway. So I'm excited to show my babies these in the morning. And thank you so much for joining me on this second day of the Christmas Countdown. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.